but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Ooh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I never needed love until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin.
How you doing, guys, today? That's right, I'm in the Pandava beach, as you can see. After yesterday's trip to waterfall, I'm a little bit tired, have to say. So today is a little bit much easier day. This is the Pandava beach, the most famous beach in Uluwatu, just the second most famous beach in Bali, just after the Kuta beach. Mostly is famous because of local people. For me personally, I prefer Melasti beach, which is very similar to this one, also with the road like this, with the rocks and everything. However, this is a very famous beach. I will show you guys around. And it's not so many people, of course, like everywhere in Bali right now. Yeah, so also the few very interesting facts. The construction over there is already for many years. Somebody tried to build a fancy hotel with the view of the ocean and something happened wrong. Many places in Uluwatu, especially like this, by the way. This canyon is very similar to Melasti beach, like I said. This is human-made. This is not natural way, it's human-made. And over there, where is the road and the corner, they are like some statues inside the rocks, inside the caves. Like I will show you this now.
Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Oh, let me know now, now, now. Oh, oh, oh.
So in the short term, this beach, I'm having picture next to this one and this one. This is the most popular with the local people. Some Indonesian people and from different countries, they coming to Bali, and also Chinese people, they coming to Bali, and this is the top 3 place what they have to visit. Usually is the Tanah Lot Temple, Uluwatu Temple and Pandava beach, or Kuta beach instead, depends. But this one is definitely a very famous place for local people. Alright, this beach is quite huge area, so I decide I will drive by my bike and showing you around, guys. It's safe here, so don't you worry about me. but however, don't do this at home. I'm the professional with that, and that's how it looks like. This is the big parking area for the big bus. There is the another parking area. Here is some construction. That's actually quite a different experience than usually I drive with the GoPro. I hope so you will enjoy it, guys. Over here, where I'm coming now, is the place for the Kecak dance. Of course, I think it's not open, but usually it is. And I will show you the beach a little bit now. Over here. So this is the only one part of the beach, and it's very quiet, not many people, just few local kids mostly. Yeah, I will show you guys more around. So as you can see, it's really super quiet, not so many people, and everything's nearly closed or almost closed. I think the more people is now in Melasti Beach, and Melasti Beach in my opinion is also much better. So it's a bit bumpy over here. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So, in general, that's how it looks in the Pandava beach. It's very quiet, not so many people, no restaurants, no nothing. I mean, they are closed. Yeah. Alright guys, that will be enough for today's vlog. Today a little bit shorter than usual. I hope so you still enjoy it. I tried a new thing, driving bike and recording myself. A little bit shaky, but I hope so you enjoy it as well. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment. A new vlog every day, 7 PM Bali time, GMT +8. See you tomorrow guys, see ya.
Let me know, na na na. To be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Oh yeah, let me know now.